Hi, my name's Jay Gadar. I'm the director of Ashworth Group. Ashworth Group started in 2001. Our aim was to become one of London's largest inventory companies. We're 13 years in now, and we are pretty much there. We're in the top 10 of London's largest inventory companies. We've won numerous awards over the years, and we've got a steady growth. We have a full coverage of all the 32 London boroughs, and we are now working towards covering Essex. Other than doing inventories, we also have a cleaning department as well, which is doing quite well. We have over 25 cleaners, and we do commercial and residential cleaning. The commercial side has actually started to pick up quite a lot in the last few years. The residential side accompanies the inventories quite well. The core values of Ashworth Group are trust, honesty, diversity, and most importantly, integrity. All our staff must have all of these, and that is what makes Ashworth Group different compared to the other companies out there in the market. Our clients are aware of that. They can see that with the way they deal with our staff. They can see that in the product. They can see that in the service that they receive from the start to the end.
Hi, I'm Shayna. I joined Ashworth Group 5 years ago as a trainee inventory clerk, and now I'm in a position where I train new inventory clerks. At Ashworth Group, you're not just a payroll number, you're treated like family and as part of the team, and your opinions, your suggestions, they're actually listened to, they're taken on board, and that actually helps us as clerks to improve our roles.
My name's Reyna, and I've worked for Ashworth Group for 2 years as the accounts manager. From the moment the client calls us, we book the job and the process starts. We aim to deliver within 24 hours.
With Ashworth Group, we have high aspirations of moving forward, becoming the #1 inventory company. We're trying to drive the business to expand and always think about our clients and put their needs in front of ours.
At Ashworth Group, the company's ethics are built on trust and honesty, and we can be confident of the fact that once you join us as a client, you'd want to stay with us.